What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, so if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, for your support. I very much appreciate you guys. Now today I have a Trendsend. Now this is my first box since they have switched things up with the styling service. It used to be that there was no styling fee, but now there is a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. I've never not bought something from this box, and everything I've bought has been over 20 bucks, so I'm not really too disappointed about that. Now the benefit is they do offer you 10% off now if you buy 4 or more items. Trendsend is a styling box that comes from the store Evereve. They do have brick and mortar stores that can be seen in some malls and things like that. I enjoy Trendsend because they do provide you 2 fully styled outfits, and I love having outfits styled for me, and that I think they have a little bit more casual style than some of the other boxes, so it's nice to get things kind of on that end of the spectrum. And I think that's all I want to say about this. Let's go ahead and dig right into it. Alright, so open up the box. I've got 2 bundles for my 2 outfits. I have the paperwork here that's going to have the prices and the stylist notes, so I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And let's just, get into the bundles. Okay, bundle 1, I see something big and gray, so I like that. Alright, so first off, we have this graphic tee that says Shine, 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 Shine Light by Spiritual Gangsta. Spiritual Gangsta. Again, I'm not a graphic tee person, but I think they do such a great job of providing these graphic tees as layering pieces that I never would think to do that. So I think that's great. I don't know what this is, but I love it already. Alright, so this is going to be some sort of cardigan. You beautiful gray beast, you. This is by Allison Joy, an extra small cardigan. It's got like big loose sleeves here, so that's interesting. And let's see, the front of it, I think it just lays flat and is just warm and cozy and fuzzy and wonderful. So I like that. Next up, we have cut from the cloth, the Diana skinny jeans, and they are just a simple skinny jean that no distressing, just a dark wash, beautiful dark wash. I don't think they're petite, so I would need to roll them at the bottom, but we shall see. Alright, so far, outfit 1, awesome. Can't wait to get this on. Alright, now, outfit 2. Alright, I see green. Green's my favorite color, so that's exciting. Alright, first off, we have by Michael Stars. It's going to be expensive. Alright, it is just a sweater. It's got a twist front here in the front. It's kind of a longer, maybe like a tunic length, but it's big, it's beautiful. I love it. So hopefully that will fit. Ooh, a denim jacket. Okay. Okay, I'm not mad at that. From Articles of Society, we just have a denim jacket, and I wouldn't call it distressed, I'd call it kind of, it has a worn look to it. I do have a denim jacket that I don't even wear that often, but we'll see what it's like on. I might fall in love with it. And then we have a Spanx seamless leggings. I feel like I got Spanx in my last one, but I kind of regretted sending them back. I wish they had been on sale this time, but it doesn't look like they are. But we'll try them on again, and who knows, I might change my mind. Okay, that is my 2 outfits. Question to you guys. I typically read my stylist notes because I don't know if people are interested in hearing the stylist say how to dress things up. I noticed that not a lot of YouTubers read their stylist notes, and my guess is that's because most people don't actually want to hear them. So let me know what you guys think. I think I'm going to start just reading them to myself and let you know if there's anything that came up in the stylist note that is worthy to share with you guys, but maybe I'll just skip reading the notes from now on. But I'd love to hear you guys' opinion in the comments. to know whether I should be reading those on camera or not. So, alright, let's get to the try on. Okay, I have the first outfit on, and I'm going to start from the bottom up. Okay, so the jeans, they fit well here at the top. They feel good, they're soft, they're stretchy. They are too long, and I did have to roll them up. Now, these actually fit more like a straight leg, even though they say skinny jeans on the tag. I call these a straight leg. And the roll on them, I just don't really love the roll on a straight leg on me. So it's just kind of okay. The cardigan, I just look a little bit dwarfed in. I think if I had longer arms that, well, I don't know. I'm just not quite sure how this look is supposed to be, but I feel kind of dwarfed in it. So the stylist note did say if the pants were too long to go ahead and roll the hem. Also said that they're on sale. So I do appreciate the fact that they do send me stuff on sale when that's available, because I'm always talking about trying to keep a budget with them. So that's greatly appreciated. They also said that graphic tees like this are very much on trend this spring, so I will keep that in mind as I'm going through my style boxes, because I would like to stay on trend. So just want to point out those couple of things. And then the tee is cute. It's a great layering piece. I have nothing bad to say about it. So, alright, let's get to the next outfit. Okay, so second outfit. I am not going to keep this jacket on because I think we can all agree that this thing is huge on me. I have no idea why it's so big on me. I mean, the cuffs are rolled one, just that's how it was sent. But without that, that's the sleeve. And then obviously there's just a whole lot of extra fabric here. I think it was an extra small. Let's check the size on this. Ah, it's a small. So that's why it's huge. It's not an extra small. So I will not be keeping that. I don't really need a jean jacket, or else I might consider sizing down. So I will not be doing that since I don't need one. But this tunic, let's talk about this tunic. I really like it. I'm not a huge tunic person just because I'm also not a huge leggings person. But this outfit may convince me otherwise. First of all, I love the color of this sweater. I love green. This is more of a, almost closer to teal, I guess I would say. Greenish tealish. And I just think it's cute. I like the side tie. I don't want to take it out to check to see what it looks like without the tie. We're just going to go ahead and leave that in because I can't figure out how to tie things again. Now it has like this seam that goes across the front here, and it does the same thing in the back, and I think that's very cute. And I just think it's a really cute, long, comfortable, cute tunic. And the Spanx, of course, feel amazing because they're Spanx. I mean, that's what they're known for. I love the high waist of it. It goes all the way up over my belly button. I feel safe. I feel secure in these. I don't feel exposed. They're a great length, and I really like these. So this is a winner. I haven't looked at prices, so let's go ahead and do that, and hopefully some of this stuff is affordable. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so let's go over prices now. The least exciting part of all of this. All right, let's start at the top here. This is the Everly Kimono Cardigan by Allison Joy, and it is $23.99. Again, that is with my 20% discount. I forgot to mention that when somebody uses your referral code, you actually get 20% off. So this box is 20% off. Thank you to Heather Powell for using my referral link. I hope you had an amazing box, Heather. I'd love to hear all about it. So thank you so much. Okay, so back to the prices. All right, $23.99. That seems like an amazing price for this, like really amazing price for this. But I'm just not into it. It just didn't look great on me. I felt dwarfed in it. It was just, it was not my favorite. So despite the great price, I still am going to send it back because I know I'm just never going to wear it. Interesting though, it says they sent me burgundy. And even I looked online at the app at the checkout, and they show a burgundy one there, and I got gray. But regardless, I'm still not going to keep it. Okay, So next up we have the denim jacket. This is the Taylor denim jacket by Articles of Society. It is $55.19. Looks like it's a markdown. It used to be $84. You guys saw this on me. It was huge. It was not great. So I'm not going to keep this. Okay, that looks better. Adjusted the angle of the camera. Okay, next up we have the Diana jeans from Cut by the Cloth. They are $47.99, originally $89. So again, a great price. I'm on the fence with these. I didn't love the straight leg aspect of it, mostly because I don't love rolling my straight leg pants. I just feel like the roll looks kind of clunky and awkward. Maybe I'm the only one who feels that way. But it's a great price. It's a great brand. I don't know. I'm on the fence with this one. So you guys tell me what you think, please. Thanks. Okay. Then we have, this is the Maddox Heather Tunic by Michael Stars, and it's $55.99. Originally $118. So, and this is apparently an exclusive design co-created for you, Ever Eve plus Michael Stars. So that's cool. I really like this. I like the color. I like the feel of it. Do I $56 like it? Again, I'm on the fence with this. So what do you guys think? I don't have a lot of tunic tops. I usually kind of avoid them because I don't really wear leggings, but you know, sometimes I might just want to be cozy legging tunic top girl. So we'll see. Okay. Then we have the Essential Seamless Leggings by Spanx, and these are $54.40. I kind of struggled with the fact that I sent them back last time. I'm still on the fence as far as them. They are not on sale, so I may stalk the Ever Eve store to see when they go on sale. I'm wondering if they've sent me these before, I think in my last box. I'm not sure if those were extra small and then these are sized up or what, but I don't know. I'm on the fence. The last top is, this is the Shine Light Tee by Spiritual Gangster. It's $43.99. The tee was fine. It was a great layering piece, but I don't know, $44. Like it. So, alright. I had a bunch of stuff I was on the fence with. The Spanx, the tunic top, the jeans, and I don't know what I'm going to keep. I do know that I did pay the $20 styling fee this time. That was the first time. So whatever I buy, you know, I prepaid 20 bucks of it, so that always makes it easier. So guys, I'm not giving you a resolution. I will put in the description what I actually bought, because I'm clearly not going to be able to make a decision right now, and I'm going to have to think about it. I will put that in the description because I'm way behind in videos, so this probably won't get posted for a couple of weeks at least. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on everything, and thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. And if you like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.